Where's the Durga temple?
Sad thing is that sadhus normally they sit.
Yes, I'm shooting. Yes. It's never ending part. It's a long path. This is how it looks. We're standing at the torch. Yes. Hi.
Because it was COVID and everything was online, so he don't have to go to school.
In China also no cash. People when you pay with cash, I was told they look you crazy. And I'm scared of this. I just want to pay with my phone. It's too much. Then people know everything. Where I was in each second. Yes. This is.
ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥ ꯊꯛꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ 1 hour meditation walk ꯆꯠꯂꯨꯔꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯆꯥ ꯊꯛꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯁꯕꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯥꯏꯛꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯁꯦꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯥꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯅ ꯔꯣꯁ ꯌꯣꯒꯥ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯋꯥꯆꯤꯡ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ